Here we are in Bedford, doing a little night ride. I didn't have time to look at my camera before we came out here, so hopefully it's filming the right spot. Whew. Some leaves, some mud. This is gonna be a slick one. Oh, that's why I don't really. There we go. Turning the headlamp up to high might help me. Woo! It's 34 degrees, mucho wind. I have no power at home right now. So I guess this is better than job searching on no Wi-Fi. Which is to say not job searching. I think we're gonna see a Sam Squanch tonight, Ben. Back end is feeling a little bit squirrely.
Stay in school, kids. Don't get into mountain biking. This is for idiots.
You know, you gotta wonder what kind of an idiot would come out on December 6th to go mountain biking.
31 degrees when I turn my truck up.
Oh, it's 31. So it's now officially below freezing.
Oh, yeah.
Sick. Loogie and snotsicle weather. Climbing up these hills. Yada-da. What a good time. What a good time. I slid into second safely a couple times the last time we were out on these leaves. So hopefully I'm done stealing. Woo! It is windy. And it is bitter. And I almost lost the trail there. Oh yeah, I can see my breath in your light, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
You're a savage.
My shifter thumb.
My shifter thumb, yeah.
We ever got through that section?
Yeah, dude. We might just be going like record speeds tonight just to stay warm. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Oh. Wee wee. this is muddy.
Yeah, dude, this is shit.
I've got mud all over my face from my front wheel. Should have left my Endurbro guard on. Oh man, I almost wiped out there. This is gonna be a fun one. All right, the bridge is at the end of this straight, if you remember. I'm gonna take it kind of slow through here because this is wet and leafy. Woo! I was going sideways on that bridge. I don't know how I stayed on my bike. I completely had no traction going onto that bridge. Not even kind of. It was fun. I'm gonna turn up my light. I'm gonna make it a little bit easier for myself. I'm more usually concerned with saving my battery's light power so that I don't somehow get stuck out here. But I'd like just the extra visibility a little bit tonight. See the wet patches before I get to them, or at least try to. This is slick. I'm liking this. My pun intended. Alrighty. Bedford's a really good night riding place in my opinion because it is fairly flat, so even if you don't really know the trail all that well, you can kind of not get screwed on super difficult climbs or anything, or caught off guard by big features. There's 2 rocks of any notable size, I think, on this whole trail. And they're not a whole lot, to be fair. And I mean literally 2 rocks, and I mean they're also not a lot. So as far as safety concerns out here, it's really, at this time of year, just really the leaves and the fact that the track is wet because it rained this morning. But hey, slick trails are part of mountain biking. Alright, I kind of want to go fast and I kind of don't want to hit a tree, so we'll see how I take this. Alright, so hitting a tree is what won out this time. I do usually like to take it faster, but to say the conditions are horrid might be a little bit of an overstatement, but they're pretty bad.